Hello everyone, today's feast is huge. I've got the crispy fried fish, then over here we have this delicious mutton leg, and check out these golden nuggets. Alright, this is the golden nugget, absolutely beautiful. Wow, it's crispy, juicy, and the flavor is just incredible. You have to try this. Best curry I've ever had. This is incredibly crispy. Let's get this fish. Listen to this crunch. So crispy, so hot. This fish is perfectly crispy. And the spices? They have used just the right amount of everything. You have to try it. Now that I've hydrated, let's talk about this amazing spread. Incredible mutton leg. I've been waiting all day for this. Check it out. Look at all this food. I'm gonna take this piece, dip it in the gravy. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh wow. Delicious. This mutton is so incredibly tender. Seriously, you have to try this. Woo! Oh, wow, that is spicy. But the heat is perfect. Wow, that is delicious. Oh my God, this is amazing. It's so tender and full of flavor. You have to try this. Absolutely delicious. Wow, that was absolutely amazing. So good. You have to try this.